Hello guys, welcome back to AS Learning. So in this video we will see how can we add the custom delimiter in any SQL values, okay, or you can say table values. So for example, we will take the example of this employee table, and before moving on to actual video, if you have not watched our previous video on SQL interview question series, so here are the thumbnails displayed on your screen, and the links for the same has been provided in description and I section also, so you can refer that. So now moving on to our example, so we have to add the delimiter, that is hyphen, after every like first we will add the delimiter after fourth number of our contact, and then after seventh. So like this, 1 2 3 4 hyphen 5 6 7. So number should be contact number should be saved in database like this. May have this you may have seen this type of contact number saving in many of the applications. So like that we have to store, or we have to write the query for adding the hyphen in between or any delimiter. So the query will be, so also you can use this query for any other string or column name also, like this, as we have employee name and Sam, and if you want to add a column comma or any delimiter after each and every letter, so you can add like this. So for the query for this will be, we will start with select, and we will use concat here first, concat, and just write the outer query first. Select concat from table name, that is employee. Okay, so concat will contain now substring method. So main logic will be all based on substring only. So substring, and it contains three arguments. That is, first argument will be the column name on which you have to process the data. That is, in this case it will be contact, and then substring. So we have to first add the hyphen after fourth number, in this case, right, 1 2 3 4 hyphen. So we will just write 1 and then move by 4. Okay, 4 positions. Okay, now we will just add hyphen here like this, and just test with this parameter first. Okay, so as you can see, 1 2 3 4 hyphen. Now you have to just add one more, that is substring contact, and same. Now it is on position 4th, so now it will be 4, and move the number by 3 position, and then again add the hyphen. So let's test this one also. Okay, it's working fine. And now our last part will be again substring of, so now only we have to write substring, that is from 7th, now as its current position is 7 number, to 10. So if we run this query now, okay, I have missed here bracket. What happened? Substring, okay, sorry, I have not provided here contact, that is column name. Okay, now it's working fine. So this is how you can write the query. But before the, like, this is not the optimal solution, optimal query, because consider if you have any other data that is 20, that length of that data is having more than 20 50. So in that case, and you have to add delimiter, so in that case it will not be a good solution. So just minor change in this query will be, you can use concat underscore ws instead of concat. Okay, so in that case you have to remove this delimiter from everywhere and keep the substring as it is, and just use the concat ws, and first parameter here will be your delimiter value, that is this one. You just have to use delimiter once here, and for rest of logic you have to just add the substring, so it will return the same result. So these are the two ways by which you can add the delimiter in SQL records. So I hope you got the concept, and do watch our other videos on SQL interview question series, and let me know if you have any doubts. So still then, go and take vaccinated and stay safe. Thank you.